Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. In this video I am going to show you how to link CSS and JavaScript files in HTML with Adobe Dreamweaver. So let's start. First, create a folder of your project. Give any name to this folder. Then in this folder create a CSS folder and JavaScript folder. Now open Adobe Dreamweaver to create new file. Click on create new. I am using HTML file 5. Now save this file on folder that was previously we created. Give this file name to index.html. Now make a CSS file. Save this file to CSS folder. Now create a new JavaScript file. Save this file to JavaScript folder. Give a name to this file, custom. Custom.js. Give any name you want to wish, but I give custom.js. Now open index file. In head tag link CSS file. Link relevant to reference. See this style CSS file is connected to your HTML file. Now link script JavaScript file. Now save it. Now you can see style and JavaScript file was successfully connected to HTML.